Welcome students, welcome to my new lecture. I am Roxana Parveen, lecturer, Department of Civil Engineering, World University of Bangladesh. In this lecture, we will perform a problem of earth retaining wall. Here, we normally calculate the lateral force on the retaining wall. Problem on earth retaining wall. Let's see the question. Calculate the lateral force of a wall of height 15 feet with a sand backfill. For this wall shown here, we have to calculate the lateral force. We also have to find the location of force. This is the pressure diagram of the wall. The pressure P naught will be half K naught into gamma into AC square, and its position will be 1/3 height from the base. Step 1. The coefficient of earth pressure at rest condition K naught equal to 1 minus sin phi. Here phi equal to 30 degree. So finally K naught equal to 0.5. Step 2. Lateral earth pressure sigma H equal to gamma H into K naught. Here gamma equal to 115 pound per feet cube. H equal to 15 feet. K naught equal to 0.5. So finally lateral earth pressure stands to 862.5 pound per feet square. Step 3. The force for the soil at rest condition is P naught equal to half gamma into H square into K naught. Gamma H and K naught are same as used in previous slide. See slide 5. So finally P naught equal to 6468.75 pound per feet. Step 4. Total lateral earth force F equal to P naught into H. And finally F equal to 97031.25 pound. Step 5. Location of force from bottom is H by 3 equal to 15 by 3 equal to 5 feet. As the pressure diagram is triangular. And this is the end of our today's lecture. Thank you everyone.